Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and I just wanted to do a video today of things that are going on in the garden and things that are popping around in my mind. First of all, a friend of mine, he gave me this, or he suggested that I might need one of these for in my garden, and I tried his for about 5 hours one day, and they worked really good, and so I wanted to recommend them to anybody who might be suffering from all of the mosquitoes that we've had here in Michigan. You can buy them on Amazon for about $13 or $14. I believe it was $13.99, and I bought one for everybody in my family. This time of year we find that there are scapes on garlic, especially on hardneck garlic, and to remove those you need to, or to make sure you take care of them, you got to remove them. And so what you do is you cut the garlic scape off, and that will allow your bulbs and your cloves to grow bigger. On a side note, those are fairly good. You can eat them right out of the garden. They're not as pungent as, some of that garlic that you get in the store that's been, sitting around for 9-10 months or whatever. And once you get them trimmed off, then like I said, you get bigger cloves and bigger bulbs of garlic because of it. Not only can you eat them fresh, you can cut them up in your salad, you can put them with your fried potatoes or your eggs or something like that if you'd like to. You can almost use them just like you use green onions. Anyway, the other thing that I got going on is I'm picking strawberries. I got a big old bowl here, and we've come to I think the height of our season. We just got a ton of them that are ripe right now, and I don't know if you can see those there. Yeah, so I'm trying to get as many as possible. My mom has got her birthday tomorrow, so I'm hoping to get her some. And usually on Saturday nights we all get together as a family and have smoothies, and these would be a great way to have some good smoothies, some fresh strawberries. Anyway, the other thing that was on my mind was, I was reminiscing this morning, or, while I was at work today, and it's, I was thinking back. I don't know if you lived in Chicago or around Chicago when you were a kid, but when I was a kid, there was a station called WMAQ. It was a country station, and they carried the White Sox. And Harry Carey was the announcer for the White Sox. This was prior to him becoming a trader and going over to the Cubs. Just my personal opinion. But you know, I was remembering that I had a little, I don't know, it was probably about that tall and that wide. It was a little transistor battery run radio, and at night my mom and dad, they'd put me to bed. I was like 10, 11 years old, and they'd say, "Okay, Eric, you gotta go to bed." And I'd crawl into my bed, and I'd take that radio and I'd put it up under my pillow, and I'd turn it up just loud enough so that I could hear it, but they couldn't hear it. And I would listen to the White Sox play baseball till sometimes 11, 12 at night, whenever the game got over. And that was just like a really good memory. I was wondering what you guys remember, what good memories that you guys have from your childhood. If you'd like to, go ahead and share them in the comments below. I'd really like to hear about them. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And I just wanted to say thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.